Look around you. Your desk, your coffee, your body. Even the stars and galaxies. All of it is just 5% of the universe. The other 95% is a ghost. It's invisible everywhere in a huge chunk. Dark matter holds our galaxy together. For decades, we've hunted this ghost. We built the most sensitive traps, and they are all empty. The traps are silent. Did we get the ghost story completely wrong? The universe is haunted. Dark matter isn't a wild guess. The case is overwhelming. We've never seen it, but we've seen its footprints across the cosmos. Footprint 1, the galaxy problem. Physics says outer stars should move slower than inner stars, like Pluto compared to Mercury. But that's not what we see. Outer stars move too fast. Based on visible matter, they should be flung into deep space. But they don't fly off. This is only possible if the galaxy is embedded in a massive, invisible halo holding it together. Footprint 2, bending light. Einstein taught us mass bends space-time. We see light from distant galaxies bent and warped by nothing visible. There's enormous mass, but we can't see it. An animation shows light from a distant galaxy traveling, hitting an invisible clump of dark matter and bending around it to reach the telescope. So, the evidence is undeniable. The ghost is real, making up 85% of all matter. For decades, we had a prime suspect. For 30 years, the leading theory was a WIMP, a weakly interacting massive particle. Think of it as a heavy, shy bowling ball. WIMPs are all around us, flooding through us by billions every second, but they barely interact with normal matter. So, scientists built the world's most incredible ghost traps to catch one. They built giant vats of ultra-pure liquid xenon, buried a mile underground to block cosmic ray noise. Then, they waited. They listened in total darkness for a single, tiny ping, a flash of light from one WIMP striking a xenon atom. They built them bigger, more sensitive. The LZ detector is the most sensitive machine of its kind. After all these years, what did they find? Absolutely nothing. Not a single, verifiable ping. The traps are silent. The ghost isn't showing up. This isn't just a failure, it's a crisis. Our main suspect has a perfect alibi. It's forcing scientists to wonder, what if dark matter isn't a particle at all? With the WIMP theory on life support, we've entered the weird physics era. The case is wide open, and new ideas are straight out of science fiction. This is my favorite. What if dark matter isn't a particle, but a wave? An ocean? This theory says dark matter is made of trillions of ultralight particles called axions. They are so light, billions of times lighter than an electron, that they stop acting like individual particles and behave like one single quantum wave. We call it fuzzy dark matter. It's like the universe is filled with an invisible, vibrating fog. This fuzziness solves problems WIMPs couldn't, like why small galaxy centers aren't as dense as expected. The wave-like nature fuzzes it all out. Okay, suspect 2. What if the ghost isn't a new particle, but a really, really old one? What if dark matter is just black holes? Not the giant black holes we see today, formed from dead stars. We're talking about primordial black holes, forged in the very first second of the Big Bang. In that first chaotic moment, some tiny, super dense patches of the universe could have just collapsed on themselves. This would create trillions of black holes, some as small as an atom, some as heavy as a mountain, all formed before the first stars. They'd be dark, have all the gravity we need, and silently roam the void. They're the ultimate ghost. And here's the most radical, controversial idea. What if there is no ghost? What if our understanding of gravity itself is wrong? This theory, MOND, says Einstein's and Newton's laws are perfect up to a point. But on a galactic scale, where gravity is incredibly weak, the laws just change. Gravity gets a little bit stronger than we expect. We don't need extra stuff. We need new physics. The stars on the edge of the galaxy aren't moving too fast. They're moving exactly as they should, and our equations are the things that are broken. So, the hunt is back to square one. The old map is useless, and the new one is full of monsters. But that's what makes this the most exciting time in physics. We are detectives in the biggest ghost story ever told. Scientists are building new traps, radio telescopes listening for axions, and giant observatories scanning for primordial black holes. We're not just looking for a particle anymore. We're trying to find the invisible architecture that built everything. Whatever it is, a fuzzy wave, an ancient black hole, or a fatal flaw in our own logic, finding it won't just win a Nobel Prize. It will rewrite our understanding of reality. So what's your pick? Are we living in a fuzzy quantum fog, haunted by ancient black holes? Or do we need to tear up the laws of gravity? Let me know your favorite bizarre theory in the comments below. If you want to keep exploring the biggest mysteries in the cosmos, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.